Following up with our multi-time frame market structure recording, we're going to go into a live example with a candlestick chart. Okay, so this is GJ on a 4-hour time frame. Let's just take a look. We can clearly see, structure being printed over here. Let's just draw it out for you guys. And we can all agree that we are in a, let's draw that. Okay, we are in a clear uptrend, right? We're creating from our lows, we're creating higher lows and higher highs. Now, of course, it doesn't look as perfect as the previous sketch, but this is how market structure looks in reality. Okay, so you will get, double tops, double bottoms, a new high once you break above these levels here, right? So we understand that market structure. See, we can retest kind of these swing lows based on the uptrend. Okay, so we're in a clear uptrend. Now let's just take a look that if we take a look within this downtrend over here, sorry, not downtrend, correction, I want to go and show you what it looks like on the lower time frames. So you have to understand, yes, we are in an uptrend, but if you are trading counter to the trends, meaning in this direction within a higher time frame uptrend, on the lower time frames, it's going to show that you have, let's go to the 15 minutes. Right, so on the lower time frames, you can clearly see that we're creating from the highs, right, from your higher high on the higher time frame, we're creating lower lows and lower highs, right? So this is what I mean by multi-time frame analysis. So from these highs, we're creating lower lows and lower highs, and then you can kind of see how market kind of consolidated over here and then shifted again to the upside. So if you are trading counter to the trend on this lower time frame, it's important to understand that on the higher time frames we are in an uptrend. So we're looking at, like, if you're trading in short positions here, you won't be targeting big extension levels. Okay, like we're not going to go back to these lows, right? Because technically in an uptrend, this low here will be respected, and it's going to create a higher low, which was created over here. Okay, so this is a correction on the lower time frames. It looks like a downtrend. Once again, if we look at our second correction, right, you can clearly see your high, your low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and so on. And then once we created this low over here, we started creating higher highs and higher lows, right? This is a double top, double bottom, and there you go, right? Now this could have kind of given you indication that, okay, we're creating higher highs and higher lows. However, it did kind of go slightly lower, and then it started with, to trade within the trend. It's a little messy here, but if you can, take a look at the higher time frames, circle it so you can take a look on the lower time frames, it gives you a rough idea of what you're looking at, right? So this is a simple correction on the 4-hour, but we saw that on the lower time frame, you're creating from the highs here, lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. However, we're not expecting to break this structure point here. Why? Because we are in an uptrend. Okay, now same idea over here. We know this is a swing low. We would expect price to respect this level to then continue and break this structure point, which it did, since we are in an uptrend.